I'm going to show you how to make a camera lens from a disposable camera that you just glue onto a body cap and put that on any camera. We're going to put on this nice little Fujifilm camera and then compare pictures with the disposable. Cool. This video is sponsored by Squarespace. So you just need a disposable camera and a body cap. And we're just going to take that disposable camera, tear off all the stickers, kind of rip it apart. Ooh, ruined all that film. Then we're just going to take that little tiny lens. Boop. Wow, look how good it is. And just cut it so it's nice and circular. Take your body cap and measure that out so you have the middle. And then just drill a little hole. That's a little hole. We're going to make it bigger. Make it a bigger hole. I'm going to test it out, see how it works. It looks like it's going to work kind of good. Yeah, sure. Let's try it on. So we just super glue that right in place, and let's test it out on this camera. Looks kind of cool. Maybe a little blurry, and just depending on how close it is to the camera, kind of determines that. So we're going to try again. This time we're going to push it out a little further. So I took that from the disposable camera, just glued and taped that onto place. So now it's a little bit further out. Let's test it out. Looks like it's like kind of more of a macro lens, like the field of view is closer. So I dialed that in, and now it's time to make one for my friend. So I drilled a hole in his cap and then put electric tape over the lens. That way I can kind of adjust how close it is to it on the spot.
So, using that lens right now. It's kind of interesting because there's no way to adjust focal length, though. I don't know if I'm in focus or not. What? Also in and out of light. But do a huge thank you to today's sponsor, Squarespace. If you guys don't know, I love Squarespace. So they're one of the reasons I'm still able to keep on making all these things for y'all to watch. So Squarespace is your one-stop shop, all things website. So whether you need a domain, website, e-commerce, maybe you just did a photo shoot and you want a place to show them off. What's that called? Portfolio. I think portfolio. Show off your portfolio. You can actually go to the website right now, no credit card needed, and start making that website today. And the templates. How come I feel like I'm saying that word? The templates. Templates are it's so user-friendly, professional, and also customizable. You're gonna be able to make your website in a day. It's gonna look so professional and also be able to match your brand. So go ahead, click the link in my description, go to squarespace.com/schmood, make your website, and when you do decide to purchase something, use coupon code schmood to get 10% off your first purchase. Cool.
So this is the lens, and I headed to my friend's studio, Relish Studio. They're nice enough to let me shoot a little product pictures there. And Strudel was there with the sweetheart model Ava. Ava's a biggest sweetheart. And then Shell, who was helping us out, he let us use his camera. I can't even remember the name of it. It's a really nice camera. But yeah, we're gonna take pictures and compare them. And the model of the new hand clasp bracelet and necklace. And like I said, so I'm shooting on the lens that I made for my Sony A3, and that's the video that you're seeing right now. And then he's using his Fuji, and they turned out really cool. Oh, and like I said, this is a photo shoot for the hand clasp bracelet and necklace. I'm actually doing a bundle deal right now that's gonna be going until Monday, and you get 2 bracelets, 2 necklaces, 2 perfumes, and 2 rings for $33. Nope, $111. That's at www.asterisk.com. Double letters and everything. If you want to grab it, go right ahead. But here are some of the photos from the shoot. And this is from the Fujifilm, not from the disposable one. I am waiting to get the disposable pics back. And so, as soon as I get them back, I'll make like a little post on the socials, on Instagram and TikTok, comparing the two. So be sure to check out there. But I'm super stoked with how this looks on Shell's camera. Like, it just softens everything. And like, of course it does, the lens is plastic. But it gives it this really nice, soft, glowy, nice but glowy effect. So cool. Alright, so be sure to like and subscribe. Go ahead and hit that bell notification. And yeah.